Hi friends, in this video we will learn the meaning of duty in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you found this helpful, kindly share this to all. Duty meaning in English is the tasks that you do when you are at work, or a tax that you pay, or something that you have to do because it is part of your job. ड्यूटी का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है कर्तव्य, धर्म, शुल्क, कर या चुंगी. Example sentences. It is your duty to finish the job. काम खत्म करना आपका कर्तव्य है. He was dismissed for neglect of his duty. उन्हें अपने कर्तव्य की उपेक्षा के लिए बर्खास्त कर दिया गया था. I didn't buy anything at the duty-free shops. मैंने शुल्क मुक्त दुकानों से कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा. Do not forget your duty to your parents. अपने माता पिता के प्रति अपने कर्तव्य को न भूलें.
He felt he had done his duty.
उसे लगा कि उसने अपना कर्तव्य पूरा कर लिया है.